And kung gahapon kay nagpasyudad ta, karon magpabukid na punta.
I just came from the Rock Haven Cave. Like giving an infinity vibe nga pool. So you can see here.
Hello roommates! Welcome to the day 3 of our roommate adventures here gihapon sa Pigkawayan, North Cotabato. And kung gahapon kay nagpasyudad ta, karon magpabukid na punta. Today, we are here at Janelle's Rock Haven Resort. What do they offer? I don't know because we are also here to find out. So come with us. So, upon arriving, you will be greeted by their staff here. And rates for their entrance fee is 100 for day rate and 150 pesos for the overnight rate. So sa ilahang cottage is you can avail for as low as 500 pesos, but ang amo ang gi-avail is for only day trip because we're only gonna be here for a couple of hours. So let's go sa ilahang ilahang dining area. So medyo mingaw siya. It's because it's kanang weekdays, and you can also take a selfie here sa ilahang big mirror, and there is an overview. There is an overview. So ali, come see it for yourself. Na naa diri ang overview. So in the overview, makita nimo ang ilang gi-offer nga duha ka buok swimming pool. I think one is for the kids and one is for the adults also. So mag-enjoy jud ka here because time check right now is alauna na siya. It's already 1 PM, 1:32 PM, pero ang iyahang kabugnaw is dili siya mapildi sa kainit sa adlaw. You can see it here. So sige, let's go down. Let's explore their pool. So the kids can play here if you want to chillax. They also offer foods like lunch, or I think you can order also. And so, haritagi. Oh, let's go up there. Sige, ato sa daw tan-awon kung unsa ang naa diri sa ilahang taas. So dako kay siya og cover. You can see you can discover the place on your own whether it's left or right. I'm gonna go right. Okay, I'm planning to go there. Kana ilahang murag overview, another overview nila. So you can take a selfie. You can take an Instagrammable photos. As you can see, ang inyo ilahang mga kuan na sila yung mga lain-lain nga flowers as you come here. And if you're planning also to have a prenup or kanang 18th birthday nga photo shoot or whatever, you can do it. So ang agianan here is, I think dare agianan here. So it's here. So welcome to the 360 view of Janelle's Rock Haven. So it's a 360 view. Ang tibuok nga place kay imuha gid siyang makita, no? The pools, the mountains, tanang creation sa Ginoo is imo makita here. So you will see the landscape, and as what you can see here, ang ilahang mountains. As far as you can see na pa dito sa tumoy, pagyud kaayo ang dagat. So if you just wanna come and take a relaxation, pause from the busy life at the city, so you can come here. This place is so quiet. Wala gyud kay mga laing silingan here. Ang imuha ra gyud madunggan kay ang tubig sa pool, ang hangin sa mga tanom, mga punuan, o ang mga chirping sa mga birds, which is really good. If dili ka ganahan og samok, you can find it here. And more siya hidden gem in the midst of the mountains, kay going here, puro ra gyud siya mga punuan, puro ra gyud siya mga balay sa mga locals. But after 45 minutes of ride for some motorcycle from the highway, from the national highway, you can see it here. Sige, ato ta. Naog ta here. Let's explore the other parts also. And mind you, today is weekdays. So, basin mag-vary siya. Karon is mingaw kayo because it's weekday. It's Wednesday today. So, mingaw kayo siya and solo na mo ang place. Saka ta. So, napag-ide ay siya sakaon dito sa babaw. I think that's another 360 view. So, makita nimo na it's really good. It's really good to be here, to chill, to relax. Tanan. And mind you ha, this place, the entrance fee is for only 100 pesos lang. Day rate na siya. Saka ta here. So I believe if naa ka here, naapod kay, I mean inigabi, this place is really cold. If you wanna also be here, I believe you must bring a lot of clothes. Kaya para kung naa kay good clothes sa usa ka place, you can change and you can proceed to another spot para daghan ka og photos. That's a pro tip from me. So dara, and I think this is an dako sila og nasa sila eagle here. Gihangak na ko. So saka ta here. And there's a big eagle right there. And you can take a picture di ay. So asam ta moagi pa dong diha. I think this is a private. Saka ta diri.
Uy ay.
Gihangak na akong cameraman. Okay. Lingkod sa daw to sa duyan. Asa? Here? Okay. Dara. Hopefully hindi siya mabigay. We're now going down sa different pagdilang Instagrammable nga mga spot na pwede ninyo picturean. So man naman may atong slide lagi bangko diha nga taas kayo. So pwede mo ka picture as barkada, pwede mo ka picture as family. So karon maarita sa Agila, ang Agila ng Davao. Charot. So maarita then mo saka ta didto and it's past 12 PM mga alauna na kapin. Pero ang hangin diri is bugnaw gihapon. As what you can see, murag na timingan pod, favored from the Lord nga maka arimi agi sa pikas. So arita agi. Saka ta. Na ay bike, pero ayaw lang ninyo sakki ang bike kay nipadong ninyo sa ubos. Adto na mo sa pinaka-ubos puniton. So ayaw mo pag-bike. So napod sa ilahang kaninga part diri is diri ko medyo sa puton kay ngayon ba kang ano o nganong maglablab man na nganong magpicture man na sa heart asa man ang tupad na ko ani ha nganong himo man nila nga wala mo koy katupad diri. So unsaon man tani Janel's kuan Rockhaven nga wala asa kung tupad ni di ba wala may pagtangtango ni ninyo kay makalagot. O napagid here. Ni ako ganin tuyoon ha. Anak na man ni LOVE. Nawala man akong love diri. Ay, sorry. Sige. Ato ta sa pikas. So napagid sila lain here. So diri lang ko agi makikiraan po. So napagid sila star kuno here. Oh, you can take a picture also as friends, imuhang barkada, as a family. You can take a picture here, and then the background will be the eagle there, the Janelle's Rock Haven and Resort. Okay. So para pod mas sweet ang inyong pagnaog, murag wala pa agianan here, but you can just walk down there nga daghan og kanang mga folded paper nga magtuyok-tuyok siya once mo dagan ang hangin. So di ta kaagi here, but maybe ato siyang hapiton later. So daghan gyud sila mga kuandri pakulo para maka-picture ka. So as for me, I only brought one t-shirt, so duha ra gid ka picture ang pwede na akong magamit. So agi ta here, another 360 nga cottage. Naog na punta. And adto ta agi sa stairs nila. So dili lang kaingon nga nalingaw ani nga place, but also mura pa gyud kag maka-exercise.
So now we are done eating our lunch. Our lunch is a very yummy na shrimp, no? So karon, before mi nagkuha sa among lunch or before mi nagkaon sa amo ang lunch, si James is nagkuha pa siya og few cinematic shots. Before I continue talking, James, please insert that cinematic shots. So ingon na siya kanindot ang iyang cinematic shots, no? So right now we are at the pool. It's raining, so ako lang gikuptan akong mic. So as what you can see, nindot kayo ang ilahang pool and it's gonna be so cold. Okay, it's raining baya, but dili makapugong ang uwan sa amoa. We're going to take a dip in the pool. You can see walay tao sa pool because it's like they reserve the place gyud para sa amoa gyud. So daghan kayo ang kanang amo agid siya ang tibuok na place. So let's go. Roommates, so currently it's raining, but before you enter the pool, do not always forget to shower. So ang una ninyo masugatan diri ang ilahang murag small nga watery nga I don't know with that murag small pool nila. And then they say nga it's not just 5 feet, but this pool is for 6 feet kuno siya. So medyo laom-laom. And I believe nga naghatag sa og mura siya Singapore vibe. Kaya makita ninyo ang merlion nga nagbuka og tubig. And here you can see na laom gyud ang iyang pool. So from 4 feet, I think that's 4 feet to 6 feet. And it gives us ato na nito. Naidahon rin ato nito. So it's like it's giving an infinite it's like giving an infinity vibe nga pool. So you can see here, you can walk here, you can take a picture from the nature na adiha. So you can view the nature there. So you can walk here also. Please be careful lang diri na dili mo mula ko ba kay basin mas slide mo. So ayaw lang ta, dili lang ta diha. So let's go back. And that's it. Since it's raining, as much as we'd love to bring you down sa underwater because this camera is waterproof, but we were not able to bring the things nga makapa-waterproof niya. So we're just going to go back and then we'll just update you right after we dip in the pool. So going home.
I just came from the Rock Haven Cave. So karon as what you can see with my hair, obvious kaayo nga manami og ligo, and we're packing up. So manami and we're going home because as what you can see ang dagom kay murag baga jud kaayo, and we don't want to be caught in the rain in the middle of the road kay basin slippery ang dalan. What we're going to do, we're already done. We had fun. Karon manguli nami. So see you there when we go home, and I think this is the last part. Thank you for watching the day 3 of your roommate adventures. See you tomorrow. But wait, there's more. I know we've said our goodbyes, but can't you just appreciate the view of the beauty of nature here? That's it for our day 3. See you tomorrow, roommates, and keep roaming.